What if you want to text someone instantly on WhatsApp without saving their number? Here's a 30 seconds trick. This is Ayush here, and let's dive into the video. All you need to do is open the link given below in the description on the browser. Now as you see, just replace all the access with the phone number along with the country code without the plus sign. Further, tap on the send button and it will redirect you to WhatsApp. You're all set. Now you can send message to the particular contact without saving his or her phone number. I hope this video was helpful. Like, share and subscribe, which will help us to motivate further make such videos. Until the next video, stay rad.